Future Thoughts Nation, coming to you pre-recorded from my office. Look at this wonderful view out here, fantastic. But right now, just kind of sitting, waiting. Grandpa broke the chopper, so we're trying to get her fixed. I tell you. Okay, so what happened was, as you seen in the picture before, there was a whole shitload of fucking corn shoved into the head. Now, what had happened there is he either got too much, one, didn't have the machine running fast enough, or just fucking got a thick spot in the corn. Could have been mechanical error, could have been operator error, hard to tell. Anyways, so when he did that, he ended up busting a shear pin. Now, those of you that don't know, a shear pin, it's more or less like a safety device, if you will. This little bolt runs into a gear. Yeah, I'll get a picture. I'll help you out a little bit more. Anyways, but that's supposed to break, you know, before you like fuck up a chain or fuck up a yoke or anything like that. Yeah, pretty much just to save your ass from having to do more work than what you really have to do. So yeah, so he busted one of them. So not a big deal. Fucking 5-minute fix. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And then from that little video there, just pretty much showing you what the chopper does. I mean, it's different from the combine if you don't know, whatever. Whereas the combine just takes the ear, the chopper takes the whole stock, gear, fucking everything. You know, chops it all up, takes it from being a fucking stock to being fucking lettuce. Yeah, that's pretty much all that does. I mean, the whole reason why we do that is, you know, it's feed for the cows, obviously. But we're getting all the nutrients that we possibly can from the corn. It's mainly energy, is what the cows eat it for. And it's like fucking candy to them. So, yeah. While I'm sitting here waiting on the chopper to come back around, I'll give you a little look-see at my office. I'll start with the inside. It's pretty self-explanatory. You know, got all my shit that I need here on the floor. The CB, fucking can of dip over there. It's been sitting there for a fucking year. Got my fucking artificial energy, a little notepad, fucking. And then we'll take a step on outside. Then I'll show you the outside of the office. Looking at a 72, I believe, Ford L8000. Has the, I believe it's an 8.7-liter Genesis inline 6. Yeah, she's a workhorse. Oh yeah, fucking workhorse. We had to do some modifications a little bit. Put this fancy ass fucking exhaust on it that's not done yet, so you can kind of actually hear yourself think while you're inside the cab. Because before it was just, you know, just down there and you can't really see it. Yeah, it's just a downpipe. Because every time I backed into the bunks, I'd rip the flex pipe off that we had there. So I actually went and put a fucking pipe on. Yeah. And along with the exhaust, we also put new batteries in it because it fucking needed them. And, you know, just with that little simple shit, you know, I went over the engine a little bit before we started. Put the actual fucking exhaust pipe on. You know, she has got some get up and go now. She was definitely hiding some power from me. And, you know, I found that shit. I found it, and it is glorious. Like, you know, before my absolute top speed was fucking 45. And I get her up to 60. I figured I'd just give you a little show here, see how, so I can show you guys how we load it. Yeah, give you a see of that. Go ahead. Flips her right on up there. Ooh, pumps. So I know I told you I was going to get you a picture, but I'll just tag this onto the end of the end of the video here. All right, so I was telling you about the using the shear pin, shear bolts, all that bullshit. I was telling you about that. Now I got some time. I can divulge into this a little bit, show you what the hell I'm talking about. So for those of you who don't know, right here is shear pin or shear bolt, if you will. Pretty much its purpose in life is to break if too much torque gets put on this gear right here, or sprocket, or whatever the hell you want to call it. So this bolt right here is connected to this plate on the outside and hooks the plate and the sprocket together as one. So too much torque gets fucking put, too much torque get put, it'll snap that bolt off and just let that spin free, and it won't drive the rest of the machine. So there you go. The more you know.